Hi, good morning dear friends. This is Gasim Appa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVM School Hagimarakam. Dear student, this is part 2 video for the 5th standard. First chapter large numbers. In that yesterday we have started that 1.1 exercise. In that one, first main write the following numbers in words. Question G. Let us see dear children, write the following numbers in words. Here just see you need to 10, 100, 1000 to 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh, crore to 10 crore. Means if I write in words 38 crore, 38 crore, 45,000, 45 lakh, 62,000, 900, 932. See dear children, once again I will read this one. 38 crore, 45 lakh, 62,932. It's complete the first question answer. Then second question, see you need to 10 crore, you need to 10 100, 1000 to 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh, crore to 10 crore. 67 crore, 67 crore, 92 lakh, 92 lakh, 15,000, 700 and 15. It's complete dear children. Question number 2 answer. Let us I will move for the next question number E F G H. Yes, next problem. Yes, that is last one in the sixth main, first main, last one. That is 35 crore, 71 lakh, 82,462. I will write here children this one in words. 35 crore, 71 lakh, 62. It's complete Sivar. I answer question number I in the first main. First main is completed. Let us I will move for the next second main. Next second main dear children. Second main. Give the expanded notation of the following numbers. Give the expanded notation of the following numbers. following numbers. First question number A, 67 lakh 9,654. Dear children, you know that expanded notation means when you are writing the expanded notation, we need to place value chart. With the help of place value chart, just take it 6. 6 is present in place of lakh, especially 10 lakh. 6 into, I will write this as 6 into 10 lakh. Yes, 10 lakh plus 7 is present in place of lakh only. 7 into 1 lakh. Then 0 is present in place of 1000. 10,000. 0 into 10,000 plus 9 is present in place of 1000. 9 into 1000. Then 6 is present in place of 100. 6 into 100 plus 5 is present in place of 10. 4 is present in place of 1. Yes, this then we can reduce this as 66 into 10 crore. 6 into 10 lakh means 60 lakh. 60 lakh plus 7 into 1, 7 into lakh, 7 lakh. Here 0 into 10,000 means 0. Then 9 into 1000 means 9,000. Plus 6 into 100 means 600. Then 5 into 10 means 50. Then 4 into 1 means 4. This is the expanded notation of the given numbers. Then example B, example B, that is 79 lakh 690. Okay, I will write this expanded notation of this one. Okay, 7 is present in place of 10 lakh. 7 into 10 lakh. 10 lakh plus 9 is present in place of 9 itself. 9 into 1 lakh. Then 0 is present in place of this. 0 is present in place of 10,000. 0 into 10,000. Then this 0 is present in place of 1000. 0 into 1000. Then 6 is present in place of 100. Then 9 is present of 10. Then 0 is present in place of 1 unit. If I expanded this one, 7 into 10 lakh means 70 lakh. 70 lakh. 70 lakh. Okay. Then 9 is present in place of lakh. 9 lakh. Then 0 is present at 1000 means 10,000 means 0, because any number multiplied with 0, 0. Then this also 0. Then 6 into 100 means 600. Then 9 into 10 means 90. 0 into 1 means 0. 0 into 1 means 0. This is the expanded notation of the given numbers. Remaining problems I will take up in my next class. Thanking you all. Bye.